Alright, here we are on hole number 8. We got a Zert, and we are starting off in the middle of bullseye by the rough there. We're doing 1.2 left spins and 2 backspin. And here I go to pull 7 rings there, and then I pull 8 rings there for a total of 15 rings. We push up in a straight line to the plus 14, sorry. No curl. Perfect ball. No! Come on, ball. Good line. Good line. Hell yeah. Okay, hole number 8, back 9, HIOx2, starting at the bottom of the plus 21 with about a fifth of my red ring up into the rough. Max top spins, 1 left spin. I'm going to pull around 7.4, 7.3 rings here with a slight 1159 pull angle. Now the great left is 110% intentional. Not really, but that's what happened. We hit great left. Come on, ball. Get there. Good line. Get there. Come on, ball. Come on. Fuck yeah. Get in that hole.